So basically, this is called a PEB Mag kit, yeah. So which is a portable equation balancing kit. So this one is designed for those students who just learn how to balance equations. It contains magnetic surface over here. There's a whiteboard over here which can be used by the teachers to write. Yeah, one. Okay, we can also put it over here later. Yeah. So the content of the box. Okay, we will have something like this. Okay. Now it's basically some sort of a game. Yeah. You can play with your friends. Okay. I'll show you how to play the game. Yeah. 5 again. Yeah. So this is going to be question number 5, level 1. Yeah. So better different color. Yeah. For O, if it is red, then use red. Okay. So better put it like this. Yeah. I'll use this one. Okay. Because reactant and product. Yeah. So this is for the Sec 2 to understand better. MgO. Okay. Now we are going to balance this. Okay. Left and right must be the same. You see, Mg is the same. So which one is not balanced over here? O. Yeah. So you need to bring another O here. Okay. O cannot exist together. It exists together with Mg. So you need to have another Mg. Putting Mg there. Now, so once it's balanced, what you do? There are 2, so you need to write 2. Yeah. Then oxygen, O2 is 1. So MgO, how many MgO? 2. This is how you solve. Yeah. You can be given a reward or something like this. So reward. You want to roll the dice. Okay, 5 again. Yeah, this is the question. Now, so you have this question. Okay. And there will be something like this. Balance the following equation using unlabeled magnets. This one is going to be unlabeled magnets. Now, using the same concept like what we did just now, can you actually assign the colors accordingly, your own? If P is different color, then this one will be another color, yeah? Okay. Yeah, okay. Then PCl3. Okay. When you double, it becomes 6, and then it comes together with the P. Now you balance that. So you get the idea how to balance the equation. Okay, 2P, and then the Cl, how many Cl? 6. So this is without labeling, yeah, level 2. Now, if problems when doing this, what you can do, you have your phone, just scan your QR code. Okay, there is a video, okay, that will show you how to solve this. So this is for this PB. So there is a video that will show you how to use this. Yeah, so it will guide you so that you can also check your answer and so on without the presence of the teacher. Yeah. So that's going to be how is it going to be. Yeah. Now try to balance it without any magnets. Yeah. Can you balance this without any magnets? There, maybe Thaddeus or Darren. Yeah. Tell me the thinking process without magnet. I'll just use dot. 1 dot. This is 2Cl. Okay. And then 1 dot. 3Cl. Okay, so I'll use without the magnets now. I know this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. You double up, you have this. So now it's 6. Like what Thaddeus was saying, 6. So you need to have another 2. So you have 3. So this one, there's 2. You have 1, 2. This is without using the magnets. So it's the same thinking process. Level 3, you try level 3. Yeah, Thaddeus. 5 again, yeah. Okay, level 3, 5. Okay, you see here, you are going to balance the equation without using the help of magnet. So now level 1, okay, we use this magnet. Level 2, we use that. This is maybe towards the end where you are already pro, like now you are already pro, yeah. So H2O2, okay, you want to balance, maybe Darren, you try. All the stuff are inside the box, yeah, so you can just use, yeah. Okay, H2O2, okay. Okay, now it's 2, so you have 4. Okay, so now you have this hydrogen. How many hydrogen? You have 4. Here is only 1, so what do you do? Multiply by 2, right? And so dot dot 0. Okay, now you see 4, 4, 4, 4. Balance, right? So what you propose? So 2. This one you multiply by 2, 2,
and this stays the same.
stay, yeah, balance. All this, okay, we can keep it together, okay, in one place. And do remember, we can also, teachers also can teach, we can also use the back of this as a whiteboard as well. So, as this thing is happening, I can also teach another student here. Yeah? So this one also can be used, okay? And everything can be stored easily in one place, yeah?
It's a really interactive way to learn instead of writing numbers on paper, which will...
Yeah, it's easier to visualize like this, which makes it easier to think about how to balance it. Level 1, you've been given all the resources. All you have to do is like measure it. Level 2 is also same like level 1, but then you have to think outside the box more. And level 3 is going into how would you actually use it in the past. Because you wouldn't have all these materials in the past.
Yes, good. Okay.
I think it is an effective way that people like me, I don't really understand much, which is why I try to learn as well. I can grasp the lesson easier this way, since I can actually visualize on how it works.
Okay, thank you guys, yeah.